Hey, welcome back. So like we do every month, we're covering top offers today. I'm Thomas, one of the business development managers here at ClickBank. This is Z, one of our platinum affiliate managers. And so today we've got 5 of the top offers right now in the marketplace with top EPCs for affiliate earnings and top affiliate commissions, which we'll be quoting to you here. You'll want to check out a fresh one here in the spirituality niche. And then we've got a marketplace update for you at the end, which you want to keep in mind because it's kind of changed the whole marketplace dynamic a bit. You just want to be aware of how that's shifted things a bit for you.
So the first offer we want to talk about is by MZang044. It's the lean body burn. Great offer. It's been around for quite some time. And the net EPC on this one is 43 cents with the AOV of 98.94. So definitely not a slouch. Great offer there. So
So he's built some great offers in the past too.
Absolutely.
A lot of digital ones. This is his first physical one, I'm pretty sure, with supplements in it. I might be misquoting that a bit, but yeah, earnings are definitely up there. It's converting well. This next one, N Pounder 95, we actually highlighted last month. I wanted to highlight it again just because it's really topping out the charts for net EPC earnings for affiliates across the board. This is Biotox Gold, so it's definitely worth checking out. Net EPCs are over $1 at $1.02 for affiliates. And then net average order value commissions, so net commissions in your pocket is around $131. So it's paying out really well. Yeah, these supplement funnels can really get high AOVs and high commissions out. Obviously, not everyone can promote supplements or not everyone are fit, but if you have a health and fitness list, these last 2 are solid. So
absolutely, and supplements seem definitely to be the go-to this year.
Yeah, they've been growing like crazy.
The hot spot. Awesome. All right, the next one is actually a good friend of mine and one of the OGs when it comes to ClickBank. This offer is fairly newer, but again, it's from a proven OG that's been doing it for years. D2 Free, it's the Diabetes Freedom. This offer has a net EPC of 40 cents with a net commission of $55.03. Currently, like I said, it's not somebody that's new to the affiliate marketing world or the direct response world. This person's been around for ages. So I'm not calling him old because I'm going to get a call here in a second. But he knows what he's doing, and definitely keep it on that one.
Yeah, that's solid. This next one is Alexpfs. This one we highlighted a few months ago, actually. Continues to do well. It's a pure digital offer. It's the pelvic floor and core system. So if you have a women's list targeted towards that, it is really well there. It actually helps with like incontinence, which is a big problem if you've had a baby, things like that. Net EPC is 55 cents with net commissions backing out at $29 right now. And yeah, it just continues to do well. It's been a new offer this spring and just continues to do well across the board in the marketplace.
And finally, don't sleep on this one. This is what was Thomas talking about earlier in the spirituality niche. It's Thought Top. It's a moon reading product. EPC on this one is 25 cents with the net commission of $8.96. But again, this is a new offer. It's trending up. So if you have a list in that niche, definitely check that out.
Yeah, I'd say if you promoted like numerology or those kinds of spirituality offers, this is definitely one to try out and test out. Net commissions sound low, but they're actually trending up. I think the marketplace, if you search it, is actually going to show around $11. And the reason for that is it's a lower ticket front end, right? So it's not like a $37. It's like I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's a lower ticket front end, backing out super well and converting at a high rate with that lower ticket value. So it's probably still worth testing even if it's lower price than what you might typically promote. Yeah. And with that, and alluding to that marketplace update, there's been a change in the marketplace since we last recorded one of these, which is if you search in the marketplace on the right there, right as you're scrolling through and looking at offers, ClickBank gives you an idea of how much you're likely to earn on every sale you send, right? And before how it was broken out, this is a really subtle change but important. It used to say average dollar per sale, right? Do you remember the kind of the dollar per sale mark? And there would be a dollar value there associated with the offer. The issue with that is that it was looking at sales from front end to each upsell sequence as an individual sale. So if you had 3 upsells that a customer took, it would average out all those commissions across those 4 steps, right? And you can imagine what that would do if you had a lower ticket upsell step or lower ticket front end. it makes your commissions look a lot lower than they actually are, right? Because it's going to drag your average down.
Yep.
So this has been changed to average dollar per conversion, and a conversion meaning that initial checkout. It's still taking into account the earnings on the back end and upsell sequences, but it's not going to be tied to each segment of the upsell step. It's going to look at what was the net commission paid for each conversion sent through these affiliate sales. So it should be a much more accurate number of what you're likely to earn. And in most cases, we're seeing a higher number than was reported in there. So if you saw earnings shift or you saw those numbers update in a weird way and you're not sure why, that's what happened, right? So it should be much more accurate, give you a better idea what you're likely to earn, and you can go out and do your media buying or your sending on a better basis and kind of figure out your baselines there.
And with that, wrapping it up, those were the top 5 offers we're recommending for October 2020. Let us know if that was helpful. Leave a comment down in the comment section, questions, anything we're here to answer. And let us know if this is helpful. Make sure you subscribe for weekly updates.